Hey credit cousins, welcome back to the channel. Are you struggling to get through a live person at Bank of America? Well, you're not alone. Over 100,000 customers face this issue and end up giving up and hanging up the phone. Today, I'm here to provide a solution. This channel is all about making your life easier, and while you might not need this hack right now, it could come in handy in the near future. I've been there myself actually, unable to reach a real person until I used these steps when calling Bank of America. But first, can you guess how many people give up before reaching a live person? Drop your guesses down below in the comments. And remember, we're on the road to 80,000 subscribers, guys. So if you want to keep seeing helpful tips like this, hit that subscribe button, like this video, and drop a fire emoji in the comments to help with the algorithm of this video. Now let's get into these steps. Let's get straight to it. First, you want to call Bank of America at 1-800-432-1000. And you want to expect the phone to ring 2 to 3 times before the automated system does pick up. Next, you'll need to enter some verification details. This could be your ATM debit card number, the last 4 digits of your social security number, or your tax ID. Now, once verified, the automated system will briefly go over your credit and bank balance details. Now, stay on the line. The good part is coming up. So after that system that lists your options, it will say, or you can press 9 or say, give me more options. Now, if the automated prompts doesn't automatically say, give me more options, then just say it's something else right after the 3 initial prompts that are given. Then you'll be asked for the 3-digit security code on the back of your credit card or debit card. Now you want to enter this to proceed. Now, once you enter those 3 digits on your security card, it will say stay on the line to be connected to a live representative. Now, to avoid waiting, you can actually press 1 when it prompts you to choose a callback number, so you won't have to stay on hold for a very long time on the phone. Now, considering Bank of America's notoriously long hold times, you might want to pick this option. And there you have it, a straightforward way to bypass those frustrating automated menus and get in touch with a real person at Bank of America. Now, have you tried this method before? Let me know, how long did it take you to get connected before you watch this video, or even after you watch this video? Let us know in the comments if this method is still working, because I just tried this method a couple days ago and it came in handy, and now I'm here giving it to you. So thanks for watching, and if this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you'll never miss out on seeing me and, of course, the good credit hacks and tips just like this. Here's to less waiting and more doing. What's the longest you ever waited on hold? I want to know, guys. Share your stories in the comments down below. And before you go, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.